Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get a free funded Forex account, absolutely for free. And let's get started. So for the first thing you need to know is there are companies out there, there are applications that produces competitions. So for example, Bull Rush right here. There are trade competitions that you can join for free. So they give you a competition or a challenge that you need to achieve in order for you to get free funding or to get your Forex account funded for free. So like this one, for example, here we have different challenges. We have free competitions here. So you just have to click on get in. And then from here, you need, of course, account creations and whatnot. So here, you can create your own account right there. So these are the countries available uh, to join. So make sure to see if your country is eligible or if you're in a place that's eligible to join uh, their competition to start trading. So that's one way. Now, if you reach the goal or the profit quest, then definitely they will fund you with they will fund your account. So, for example, right here on their main page here, what makes us different? These are the benefits. So, you need to compete against the market in order to win the prize. So, you can do it hourly, daily, weekly, and month long trading competitions. So, this is very helpful, especially if you are just a beginner. You'll learn a lot from these competitions. You can sign up for competitions. You can pick your own competitions actually, and then you can start trading immediately after that. So here, as you can see, are there any fees to participate? It's for free. Registering is definitely for free. Now there are some entry ranges from $5 to $500, which is not bad, especially if you're a beginner. Another app that you might want to check is Fusion Markets. So they have a free demo account that you can use here. For the free demo, you just sign up for an account, and then automatically you're given, I think, around a month or two to have a free demo to see if you can trade. And then afterwards, you can also search for other funding challenges. You just go and search free Forex funding challenges online. So you have your XM trading competitions as well. So here you can join their competitions. Or here, you also have AXI, free funded trader program. So again, there are challenges here that you need to achieve in order for your Forex account to be funded. So just make sure that you manage to achieve the targets. If you did, then congratulations, you get your Forex funded for free. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.